Letitia only heard last night that she had to be in Joburg today, so we must please get the certificates back for her to sign as well. Then the latecomer of the year. Now last year it was Joseph Molefe, and we thought it was very funny. And I must say it really helped because this year he was never late once. So also a unanimous vote, latecomer of the year. Randall. Efron.
Oh my goodness.
Personality award, guys. Also a unanimous vote goes to nobody else than Lucky. You can bounce off the walls. Okay guys, for the next awards, it's on a more serious note. We also had input from the HODs for these awards and also from Yolandi. So if we look at the best administrator for the year, that will go to Jerry. You must wait a while for the photos, guys. Then the most dedicated lecturer of 2012.
Jerry, smile.
Give more.
Oh my goodness.
And you see why she got the award. There's one more award, but we're going to wait for a couple of people to still come. We've decided this year that we're going to go with a few extra awards. We've decided to go with the award we're calling the Eager Beaver Award. So if you actually look at the criteria, it's a person who's prepared to support and assist unconditionally. It means that it's a person that you can call at 2 o'clock at night and they will come and help you with something or evaluate something or whatever. So we took notice throughout the year of this, and we really felt that we need to start with such an award. And you know what's so amazing? The other day this specific person told me that college campus is his place of happiness. Isn't that great? So with all further ado, this Eager Beaver, the first time that we're going to hand this out is going to Joseph Molefe.
Beautiful.
Okay guys, we also decided this year that we're really going to pull out all the stops, and because we started with the nominations for the Dr. Fraser Award last year, we were very lucky that we really saw over the year that people are serious about going forward and be the best they can be. So we've decided that we're going to have a top lecturer award per faculty as well. So here we looked at everything. Your results, your peer reviews, your show time, your administration, everything. So the top achiever or the top lecturer for the Faculty of Business this year is POE. I think he probably has stuff there from his matric year. Then our top lecturer for applied humanities this year is Martha Sabano.